Sa Señora la Virgen del Pilar y San José, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And the Lord Alcalde Kimer, kami din yourself sa Lubregat, Sir Percy, Ramos, Taki, junto con Ateneo de San Juan, Father Ernald, Andal, Sir Cortez, and Ma'am Lea del Ateneo de San Juan. Kaya kami formalmente, we would like to formally make this statement for the information of the public. And we are very saddened by this incident, and we assure the community, not only the Ateneo, but even our schools, that stronger measures are being done to protect you. May we listen to the statement of Father Ernald Andal, the President of the Ateneo de Zamboanga, for this information.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Pinalulungkot po namin sabihin na nagkaroon po ng isang insidente dito sa aming paaralan sa campus po na Ateneo de Zamboanga University Junior High School building sa Barangay Tumaga ngayong umaga po. Ang mga detalye po ay patuloy pa namin pong inaalam. Gusto ko pong banggitin na nung nalaman po namin na mayroong insidente po dito sa campus po ito, sa pagtulungan po natin sa kapulisan at sa local government unit. Pagdadagat po tayong nagpunta at tinignan kung ano ang mangyayari sa sitwasyon. Ang pangunahing kagustuhan po namin at that time was to make sure that all our students who are at main building, this campus of junior high school, at saka po ang ating mga elementary or grade school students be properly evacuated. Sila po ay evacuate papunta po dun sa mas malayong covered court kung saan ang kanilang mga guro at ang ilang po natin mga empleyado ay nakasama po sila at inaalagaan at binibigyan pansin. We recognize that this incident could cause a lot of deep concern and worry for our parents, families, the guardians, for the students, your loved ones whom you've entrusted to us. And we're deeply saddened by this incident. Prior to this, our security team has been preparing even for simulation exercise, precisely because we understand the value of keeping everyone, our students and our personnel, safe. This is our primary objective, and that is why we are deeply saddened by this incident this morning. We are confirming that there are 2 fatalities. We are in the process of working with the police for us to be able to identify them so that we could communicate first to their loved ones. We do not have any other information as of this time. Pero we would like to share them as responsibly as we can, as soon as we have them. Ngayong araw po na ito, ang ating lahat po ng antas po ng pag-aaral, all of our classes in all levels at the Ateneo de Zamboanga University are canceled, all the way from kindergarten to grade school, junior high school, college, and professional schools. Tomorrow, we are hoping as a community, those among the personnel, to come together in prayer and in mourning for what happened. We will remain cooperative with our government officials and with the police. We hold ourselves, obviously, to accountability when it comes to these matters. And so we also request that people, the public, understand that this time, this moment, we still do not have enough information for us to make any very clear conclusions. And we would like to assure the public that we will share with you information that will be helpful in understanding what truly happened. So this time, to assure everyone, those from the grade school who are already here, ay nasa proseso na po sinusunod po sila ng kanilang mga magulang, kanilang mga guardians. And we're doing that very closely with our city government officials and with the community course, with our own security office. Likewise, for our junior high school students who have also been evacuated. At no particular time when they've been evacuated, have they been left alone by themselves. Our very, very diligent and very, very caring and compassionate administrators and faculty members and teachers remain with them. We also have on standby usually our personnel from the guidance office, including one Jesuit, Father Joel Duan, who is part of our team, senior high school, and also to be able to provide immediate psychological first aid for those who need help. For those parents and guardians who are very much concerned with their children, team members, hindi po kahirap tanggap nito kanila. No one would want this to happen. Kung nasa campus na po kayo, nandito na po kayo, maaari itong suluin, katulad na po ng ginagawa na po natin ngayon. Ang inyong mga anak sa isang paraan na orderly. We have security and police waiting at the gates so that your loved ones, your children, can be released properly and indoors to the Again po, nalulungkot po kami sa kaganapan natin. Hindi po namin nanais na ito ay hindi lang po nagkakaroon. Hindi po namin nanais ito na magulit pa sa ating mga paaralan, sa ating pagkakas. Maraming salamat po sa ating city government.
We will listen. We will not entertain any questions first because we are still responding to the emergency, but we will have the official police.
Ma'am, kung sugatan na sila.
Yes po, no, actually kanina no, natanggap na natin yung report for alleged shooting incident dito banda sa Ateneo sa Tumaga campus. So may personnel naman tayo naka-deploy banda sa Ateneo, no? Kaya naka-respond agad and additional forces din dumating dito from the mobile forces and other station and other security forces dumating dito. So yung unang ginawa din natin, no, yung sinecure agad yung mga estudyante and also sinecure din natin yung scene of incident. So after na secure natin yung scene of incident, create na rin po tayo ng incident command post, no, para at least doon mapag-usapan at maplanuhan kung ano pa yung mga dapat gawin. So wag na po tayo mag-alala, no, yung situation na contain na natin, no, and yung area na secure na rin po natin. So yun lang po.
Sir, ilan ang sugatan, sir? Ilan ang
Bale, yung nakita natin na may dalawa po yung nawala ng buhay dito sa insidente. So,
sugatan, sir?
wala pa tayong confirmation pero yung initially nakita natin may dalawa po yung nawala ng buhay. So, i-review pa namin lahat ng mga CCTV, mga statement para mabigay namin sa inyo yung saktong kung ano talaga yung nangyari dito sa insidente.
So we will give you, as of now, there are only 2 identified persons that have been fatalities. Further investigation will be done.